Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nicholas Satyavarapu. So today we are going to discuss one of the interesting, trending, and currently we need to follow that topic. So that is UiPath Developer Conference 2021. So before going to the discussion, so I would like to quickly introduce our speaker. So all of you know, so who is Ishmit from Delhi. So he is one of the UiPath MVP, active community member, always available to community members, and he's very active. So I would like to ask what is developer conference, how we need to join all these things. So let's go into the session. Hi Smith.
Hello.
How are you, Smith? I'm fine, Smith. How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you so much, Smith. Thank you so much for you taking your time in this. So Ishmit, just let me know, see what is this developer conference, because we know, you know, I also know, but we should address the huge people. So what is this developer conference arranging and how it is basically?
So developer conference, as the motto says, it's for developers by the developers. So essentially it's a conference that allows you as a developer to learn a lot more, to know what is going on in the current market and what UiPath is offering and what you can expect in the future in just a couple of days, like 2 days. So it's like plethora of knowledge in just 2 days, and you can learn a lot. You can get to know, a lot of things, and in terms of implementations, you can do that as well. So that is something like in a very brief. That is what developer conference is.
Got it. So is it really required, or is it really required a candidate who is working in RPA UiPath? So he or she should join the developer conference. If yes, can you please explore it, explain it?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So as per me, it's a mandatory thing for any developer. I will say any person who is involved in RPA, be it an RPA business analyst, developer, a manager, team lead. Because in developer, like even though it's named as developer conference, it is having something for everyone. So what I believe is that these 2 days are very like kind of a mandatory thing for each and every person who is working in RPA community or working as a RPA developer, business analyst, manager, and they should be attending it in order to know what are the upcoming market trends and what are the upcoming tools. And essentially, these kind of conferences define how where the RPA world is going to go in future.
Got it. So as we said, like it is important, and let's join this. So Ishmi, tell me when it is happening, and if it is something, is how the people need to register this event.
Absolutely. So for that, let me do one thing. Let me share my screen. And here it is. The developer conference is happening on 15th and 16th of this month, that is June. And anyone can register it, but just by going to uipath.com events and DevCon. Obviously, this link will be available in the description as well. So anyone can just go ahead and register here. The interesting thing about this particular conference is that I just checked it. Last year's conference videos are still available there. So you can think of it like you can access these videos anytime, anywhere that you like. And if you will see the agenda, can we discuss about agenda as of now?
Yes, yes. My next question is that, but you can, yeah, you go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So you can see that these are some of the most compelling topics as per me, because if you will notice, starting from what is next, or like starting from the keynote to what is next in UiPath apps to automation cloud. But the topic that interests me the most is how to use automation ops in order to scale the automation in any organization. This is, as for me, is a very the key topic that is being delivered by Paul. Then comes like obviously the hyperhack awards that all of us are early waiting. For.
Yes.
And another topic that I would really love to to attend is UiPath Robot Robot.js. This, as for me, is another very important topic. Obviously, each and every topic that is mentioned here is really important. But these are just some of my favorites. Coming to your this thing, like the topic that has been presented by Frank, another fellow UiPath MVP, is building a custom API dashboard with UiPath apps. Like this is very necessary when you have to essentially go ahead and show your client what are the returns that you are getting once you have deployed a particular bot. And along with that, UiPath apps can literally be deployed in any particular scenario. If you want to interact with a client, if you want to show them something in terms of like dashboard, any kind of data analysis you want to show them, UiPath is there for you. And with
Got it.
UiPath apps. And then coming to day 2, so obviously automate more with AI Center. Like last year was, I will say the year for AI Center. From renaming of AI Center to AI Fabric to AI Center to releasing some of the most awesome models that I've seen. Like this half an hour presentation is the one that you definitely learn, as for me.
Yeah.
And then coming to, obviously, who can miss this fireside chat with Daniel? Obviously, we cannot miss it. And then coming down to a couple of awesome topics. But one thing that I'm really eager to see is how can we essentially go ahead and drive the citizen. How can we essentially go ahead and drive the citizen-led automation at scale? And this topic is represented by Shrisha, one of the awesome developers out there. And this is also exactly UiPath MVP. And finally, these are 2 topics that are very interesting. Definitely, I would like to attend them both, but both of them are, kind of happening at the same time. But obviously, Vikram is another great guy, and here as well, we are having a very good topic of, UiPath. UiPath's one of the product of UiPath, which is document understanding. They are going to discuss about the projects, best practices, and the challenges faced. What are the solutions of those challenges? Along with that, this particular topic is given by 4 guys, 2 of whom are our own Lahiru and Nisar. So this is also something very good to see. So that's why I believe everyone should be attending it, and if anyone wants to attend it, they can just go here and register themselves.
Yeah. So adding to that, as Smith said initially, so this is not only for developers. So I'm a BA, but I'm attending this conference. I think this is 3rd time. So this is not only for developer or technical background. This is for the BAs, technical leads, architect, managers, whoever maybe is in the RPA background. You should definitely not miss this session at all. So if you are busy on June 15th or 16th, definitely you will have the recording videos available in the same link, even after the event is done, the meeting recordings are available. So please don't miss it. So Ishmeet, before that is very clear and very good explanation about the topic. So I would like to ask you, like, what is your experiences from previous DevCon, and how you are excited this time?
My previous experience for DevCon was quite, I will say, positive. I got to, from the learning perspective, I got to learn a lot. And from the perspective of like, getting to know different tools that UiPath is offering. See, as a developer, sometimes we limit ourselves to the development tools. But UiPath Developer Conference was a place for me the last time where I got to know, okay, this is like on testing end, we are doing this thing. UiPath is doing this thing. On citizen development end, UiPath is doing this thing. And there are a lot of things that UiPath is also doing in let's say, document understanding end and AI Fabric. So that is something that you can know once you attend this developer conference. And that is something that was new for me last time. This time, just looking at the topics, I'm really excited. And, looking at these awesome topics such as, especially the scaling automation, UiPath Reward.js, and so many good topics are there. So definitely, I'm looking forward to watching the conferences, learning a lot of them, and definitely, if possible, chatting with Daniel.
Yeah, that is really wonderful, Ashwin. So even for me, I would like to share my experience as well. For this time, why I'm more excitedly. See, we are coming with 21.4 updates, especially to the task capture or task mining or process mining. For BAs, we should be attending this and need to understand what is the process mining techniques or task mining techniques we have, and how BA should be using from now. After the developer conference, let's start using this and start creating our PDDs by that, and understand the new concepts available. That is first thing. And second thing, I don't want to miss the fire chat with our boss of robots, that is Daniel. So we don't want to miss that. And even I want to see like how our MVPs are being part of it. Lots of especially from India and other countries as well. So a lot of our MVPs are being participating and giving their sessions this time. So that is really wonderful. And apart from that, I would like to share my previous experience. Like as I said, this is the third time. So when it was in live event on 2018 January, I guess, yes, it is 2018 January. So it is a live event in Bangalore. There it was happened, and we at the time we got to meet all the legends of UiPath like Daniel, Raghu sir, Tejus, so all these people. So it was really wonderful, and they are not like a CEO or a CTO of the company. They're like you and me only. They're talking to us, they're explaining us, and they're very much friendly. They are very much, as we are a community, so they are a very big position, but still they're open to talk, and we had personal chat, personal conversations and all. So even in the last virtual session also, so Daniel and Ted were having a wonderful conversation, which was very insightful and even motivational as well. So that is my experiences. And so what I say, like you have even covered my next question on what are the important topics you are interested or I'm interested. So guys, you are seeing the screen on front of the screen, developer conference. So by the, as Ishmit said, by the developer service developer, it is happening on June 15th and 16th, 2021. And for India especially, the timings is like 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. IST. You can, I think Ishmit, we can join any session at any time, right? Because it is a working day for us.
Exactly.
So we can join any session at any time, and again go back to our office work and again come back and join, right? We have that option, right?
Exactly. Again,
Yeah.
the recordings are available right away. So that's a very good thing that we are having.
Yes, so thanks for adding that point also. So as Ishmit is saying, so if you miss the session on the day itself, the recording will be available in the same link. You can check the links, and don't miss the session. It is really wonderful, and it will be helpful for all the fellow members in RPA. So I think we are good with the talk. So I would like to say thank you so much, Ishmit, for coming and explaining us why developer conference and why we need to join. Let's hope, fingers crossed, you everybody like whoever been participated in the hyper hack. So we will see the good results, and even the good. I'm more excited to see the wonderful use cases developed by the people. So what they developed and how they've been achieved. So all the very best, you, and all the very best to all the participants who are being available. So thank you so much, Ishmit. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. And also from your medium, I would like to say all the best to everyone who has participated. And believe me, like while giving the demo, I can tell you that there are a lot of good cases, and everyone should be there just to see like what all the use cases people have presented. So yeah, so that's it. And thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Ishmit. Thank you so much.